If you're looking for the best floor mats to provide the most protection for your 2009 to 14 F-150's front carpet from passengers' equipment in all weather conditions, then WeatherTech's DigitalFit Front Floor Liners should be at the top of your list. These are perfect for the owner that wants to keep their truck's cabin looking showroom fresh underneath some durable mats that also look good on their own. These liners will provide full protection for the entire front carpet area, even up the sides of the footwells. As the name implies, these are laser cut and measured to ensure an easy and quick fit, so I'll be giving this install an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. And you could expect to take it less than 15 minutes to get these in your truck. The carpet in the front footwell area of your truck probably takes a lot of abuse all year round from weather, equipment, and even friends and family. The WeatherTech DigitalFit Liners Perfect Fitment will put a stop to that, and they won't allow any liquids, dirt, dust, or crumbs to splash out over the sides and stain or ruin your carpet. There are also imprinted deep grooves and lines molded into the mats for added grip when stepping in and out of your cab. They even extend up the sides and past the pedals of the driver's seat for those accidental drink spills and all the dirt that collects from your shoes. All of that will collect in the reservoir for an easier cleanup. To get this perfect fit, WeatherTech digitally measures the F-150's interior with laser scans before cutting the liners. This ensures that there's going to be no gaps or crevices where spills or dirt can build up. WeatherTech uses a high-strength patented vinyl that is extremely strong and long-lasting. The underside of the liner also incorporates the factory Ford retaining system to prevent any slipping. These liners are guaranteed to last the life of your truck without cracking or breaking, and WeatherTech backs that with a lifetime warranty. When it's time to clean, just remove the liner and spray them down with soap and water and let them dry. There are tons of options in the floor mat category, but I believe that WeatherTech DigitalFit Liners is going to be one of the best options for total protection. Even though these are the most expensive options in the category at right around 120 bucks, they do provide the most coverage hands down. You get what you pay for, and you're getting full protection without compromises front, back, and sides. You could save some money if you wanted to go with a universal floor mat, but they're not designed for your specific model year, and they won't be able to keep your carpeting looking new with the bigger spills. Now, switching to the install. Again, this is going to be a super easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. This is going to take less than 15 minutes once you get it out of the box, and there are no tools required. Your first step is going to be to move your front seat back as far as possible and remove your carpeted floor mats. To secure WeatherTech's front liner, they include these mat grips. They're going to dig into the carpet area of your truck. To set them up, just place it around the plus sign. You're going to snap it into place. Push that in, and then this is going to dig into the carpet area of your truck. You're going to place it in underneath the pedals, and it is measured to fit, so you just want to get it right around the edges for a nice tight fit. For the passenger side, we're going to follow the same steps. Push your seat back out of the way, take your stop carpeted floor mats, take WeatherTech's DigitalFit Front Floor Liner, and we're going to place it into the footwell, and then just match up the liner. With both of your front floor liners in, it's now time to place your seats back to your preferred location. That's going to wrap up your install of WeatherTech's DigitalFit Front Floor Liners. You can check these out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.